Hi everybody, this is a video with a 2013 BMW 750i. It's been crashed and a front airbag deployed. We got power to the battery, we just replaced the battery, but the problem it is we cannot put it in neutral or rather start the car. So right now, after we search a little bit, we found out that we need to replace the positive cable that goes to battery. So that's what we're trying to do right now. We just purchased a new cable, positive, and now we're trying to replace the cable which is located in the trunk of the vehicle. So this again, it's a 2013 750i BMW. So there you go, we're trying to do this right now. Mr. Dario is replacing this cable right now to see what's going to happen after we do replace this. So right now we don't have a way to start the car. We get power through the whole vehicle. We can operate the windows, we can get the ignition on and all that good stuff, but the only problem it is that it won't turn over. And then we're trying to see if we replacing this cable, which they saying it's a safety hazardous in case of an accident. It will prevent the vehicle to catch on fire. So we'll be back with another video.
You guess what it is?
Yes, that's what we believe that it is. We'll try it and we film it to make sure.
Huh?
That's what we think it is.
Now you have something like the knife. So I'll take that.
So there you go, the cables, it's off. We're getting the new one out of the box. And voila.
Let's hope that's it.
So we plug in that plug again in, which was removed. In some cases, if you do replace the battery for a 2013 BMW, when we call it dealership, they said it needs to be programmed. But if you're using the same amperage and voltage, then you shouldn't have to program the car to the battery, so the battery to the car, whatever. But right now we're trying to see what's going to happen here in a few seconds. If that was the problem, when the car it won't start and we weren't able to put it in a park. So and when you cannot actually put it in a park, you have to have it up on a hoist and bypass that. You have to take some panels off, and it's just a hard way to do it. If you broke down the road and the transmission goes out, then you need to tow it or whatever might be the case. So only way you can tow it, probably it's going to be on a flatbed. So we just purchased this BMW at the auction the way it is, and we're trying to get it in for body work. But the only problem it is that you cannot move it.
Now let's see if it starts.
Let's see if it does start the battery. If it doesn't start, and it does. Okay, shut it off. Shut it off. So guys, that's it. This is the issue with the BMW. In case if you try to start the car and it won't do anything, you got the power through the whole vehicle, but the only thing that you wouldn't have power, it's through the starter. So this cable right here enables the possibility to start the car actually, and it blows somewhere up where
It does have an
it does have an amp there, so that's what's going wrong, and then you won't be able to start the car. So this cable, about wholesale price about $190, and if you're looking to buy it as just a regular customer, probably going to pay around $210, $220. But this is the Beamer that we just started. We weren't able to do anything until we did replace that cable. By replacing that cable, we were able to run this vehicle. Thank you for watching this, and hopefully this will be helpful for you, future issues that you might have in the future. So we might be able to come up with some more videos like that to give you some ideas about BMWs. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great day.